How to reset your AirPods. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to reset your AirPods if you're having connection issues or just want to start fresh. Or reset can help. So let's get started. First, make sure your AirPods are connected to any device. Go to settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, find your AirPods in the list and tap the little eye icon next to them. Now select forget this device. This disconnects your AirPods from your iPhone. Next, place both AirPods in the charging case and keep the lid open. Now, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until you see the light on the front flash from amber to white. This means your AirPods have been reset. And that's it. Your AirPods are now reset and ready to pair with any linked device, like they are brand new. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.